Mike's labor of love he built over several years, all scratch built in honor of his father. The landing gear is electric, slowly goes up, I'm sure they'll be raising it. Nice scale flight by the B-17. Warbird to this flight cover. Check on B-17. Of course, there just did a roll with the gear down. Gear came out when he's upside down. He'll come by and do a gear check. Make sure he sees the two main gears and the tail wheel down. And then he'll come back over there. Got a loop pump coming. Okay, that's where you first there, final approach. Nice short approach. Nice, beautiful landing. Grease that one on. Tail's still not down, so pictures will work. Okay, I think the P40 calls the next final. Back big. A lot of airplane to fly. Okay, Yak is setting up.